Good morning, student. Today we discuss next session of physics class. Dear students, some students asked in previous days again explain related to dimensional formula. This time find the dimensions. Journal taken by Do and explain. This time find the dimensional formulas and units. Dear students, today we discuss about this types of problems. Then related to its find the dimensional formula. Dimensional formula. Dear student, after physical quantities, you noted that any physical quantity is depend on different types of derived quantities or fundamental quantities. Then, as like you noted that quantities as like velocity, physical quantity velocity, acceleration, pressure, volume, force, work done, etc. Dear students, firstly you noted that any physical quantity basically derived quantity is also depend on the fundamental quantities. Regarding to this, you have written one by one explanation here. See, I have like the first quantity velocity. Clear? Firstly, velocity is also depends on the two fundamental quantities. Velocity equal to displacement upon time. Displacement upon time. Dear student, displacement basically length. Length is a fundamental quantity. Then dimensional formula of length is capital L and time is capital T. But it is written in AMLT form. Then m power 0, l t power 0, and here m0, l0 t. Clear? Which parameter is absent? This power is also taken 0. After simplification, you obtain m dimension 0, m dimension 0, then m t power minus 1. Similarly, you have also taken other physical quantity as like acceleration. Then acceleration equal to velocity upon time. Velocity upon time. Velocity equal to displacement upon time. Displacement upon time. Upon time is before available here, the time into time, then dimensional formula is written. Displacement dimensional formula is am 0, lt power 0, and time has written m l0 t power 2. Dear student, after we simplified it and after we am0 lt power minus 2. Same way you have practiced in different type of questions. In example is next second and first velocity is field completed and second one acceleration. Third is taken related to its pressure. Slowly you have simplified and practiced at the home. If anywhere created problem, then again ask to me. Dear student, next one is pressure. Dear students, here is written as pressure equal to force upon area. Force is basically depend on mass into acceleration. Force is also written as physical quantity mass into acceleration. And this one has area equal to length into width. Dimensional formula of mass is capital M, L power 0, T power 0. Clear? Mass is a fundamental quantities and acceleration previous derived in point 2. After area means length into width, then L0 L square T. L square means length, dimensional formula of length is capital L and dimensional formula of width is capital L. L into L multiplied and obtain L square. After simplified it, L e power minus 2 divided by L square. Dear student, here see force dimensional formula clearly L e power minus 2 and area L square. It means here complete written as M0 L square T 0. Then after simplification you obtain M L power minus 1 T power minus 2. See here L1 L here cancel out L power minus 1 T power minus 2. And you have noted that this is a dimensional formula of pressure. After fourth point, volume has also seen here previous volume equal to length into breadth into height. Length into breadth into height. Then dimensional formula is M0 L power 3 T0. Same way, 5 point is force. Force I have also noted that mass into acceleration. Where it is its dimensional formula is mass has capital M and acceleration has T power minus 2. Then written as M T power minus 2 in standard form. After 6 point is work done equal to force FD, force into displacement. Then force dimensional formula is M power minus 2 into distance displacement has length. Then it is written as M square T power minus 2. Dear student, this time you have also practiced. If you will know related to its derived quantities, then easily you simplify it. It means any physical quantity is basically depends on followings. It means different type of physical quantity depends. It is clear that you have noted. And finally, dimensional formula of different type of various physical quantities and practice side and one by one different days and get the clear dimensional formula of given equation. Thank you.